Hi, so for anyone who's feeling compression in the lower back and a lot of lower back pain and maybe a little bit pain radiating down the leg, I'm going to be showing you a few stretches that you can be doing standing on the chair that will give you some relief. Okay, but please do go to a doctor and get it officially diagnosed and just officially check what is happening with your lower back. Okay, before we start, we like to try to loosen up the body a little bit. Just a basic warm-up, not something hardcore, just to loosen up the muscles that you're going to be trying to stretch and that the muscles that you're going to try and decompress. Okay, so my favorite one is sort of on the spot marching, just lifting the knees up. Okay, keeping the lower abdomen tight and lift the knees high and use your arms also. Coordinate the arm and the leg movement and lift the knees up. Okay, don't lean back. Don't try to lift the knee up and lean back. That's a lot of compression on the lower back. Be straight and lift the knee up. Okay, if the arms are confusing you, just put your hands on the knees, on the waist, and lift the knees up. Okay, so you can do this for about a minute, for 2 minutes even, and then you can relax. You can keep your feet a little wide, slight bend in the knee, and simple hip circles. Simple hip circles. Again, just loosening out this entire area. And then you can do the other side. Try to do at least 10 in both directions. And just start to understand where you're going to be feeling the stretches in the upcoming postures. And then relax. Now with your arms, just simple arm circles. 1, 2. Again, you can do about 10 in both directions and the other way around. Yes. Okay. So this is good enough. Now from here, take a chair. We're going to work with the chair and stand initially, then sit on the chair. Take the chair closer to a wall. And make sure that the seat height is not too high. It's a comfortable height for you to lift your leg and put on, and it's a firm seat. Now put the inside of your leg on the chair. So the inside leg, which is close to the wall, you put on the chair. Try to see that your leg is looking like a clean 90 degree. Keep your hip facing the chair and then place both your palms on the wall. So your upper body is twisting towards the wall. Your lower abdomen stays here. Your knee stays in. Don't let it open out. Press the arch of the foot. Press the arch of the inner foot on the floor, on the chair, and keep twisting the upper body to the wall. Stay here. Try to stay here for at least 45, 60, 90 seconds or 2 minutes even. Okay, keep your lower belly nice and squeezed. And then when you're done, release the upper body and then release the leg. To do the same thing on the other side, so I'll just show you. Come here. I'm going to put my leg on top so that my foot can be firmly placed. The inside leg, keep the knee fixed, both hands on the wall. Upper body turns towards the wall. The arch of my foot presses down so that my knee stays here, and look back. Again, 60, the equal amounts of time. 60 seconds, 90 seconds, 2 minutes. The longer you stay, the better you're going to feel with the lower back. Then you come back, put your right leg on the chair, or any leg you can start with, and make sure the knee is completely straight. Flex the foot, okay? Not just your toes. I don't want just the toes towards you. Your entire top foot pulled towards you. Your kneecap pulled up. Hands on your waist, okay? And from here, try to bend just a little bit from the chest. Here, that's enough. Okay, you don't have to go all the way down. Just a little bit. You'll start to feel a stretch behind the leg. Suck your lower belly in and keep reaching the chin forward towards the ankle. Hold here for again 45, 60, 90 seconds. And then come back up. Bend the knee. Place it down. Take the other leg. Do the same thing. Tighten the kneecap, pull the top of the foot towards you, suck your lower belly in, breathe out, bend with your chest forward, hold, come back and relax. From here, get the chair to the center. Again, you can use a table or a bed or a window, anything that's comfortable for you. Keep your feet little wider. Take your arms up, breathe in, breathe out, bend from the waist. Put your hands on the backrest of the chair and keep a small bend in the knee. A small bend in the knee. Scoop your lower belly and hold here. Lower belly squeezing tight and stay. Okay. Don't avoid the arch of the lower back, because then again that's feeling a little bit of a compression here in the lower back. Keep the knees bent and lift your chest up a little bit and hold here. Okay, at least 2 minutes in this posture, feeling the lengthening of the spine and the rounding of your lower back a little bit and your knees bent. Keep your lower belly squeezed in tightly. Don't let it hang. Pull the stomach muscles in and up towards the spine. Stay here, and then when you're done, hands on the chair, bend your knees and come up. Come up with support. Okay? Don't come up like this. Come up with support and up. If you feel like you want to or you can, do a gentle squeeze your buttocks, squeeze tightly and then slightly push back, and that's enough. Don't overdo the back bend just yet. Now from here we will change the position of the chair and we will sit on the chair. And the first one is really simple. You just keep your feet wide. Again, please make it a firm chair. Nothing, no couch, no recliner that you will sort of sink into. Something that you're able to sit upright in. So keep your feet wide open, toes sticking out a little bit. And the first one is really, you just hang the body down. If you're not able to reach the floor, you can take any height, any amount of height below, and rest your forehead on this support. Okay? Keep trying to bend your elbows to the floor. Stay here. Squeeze your lower belly and keep reaching allowing the body to sink forward. Hang forward. Okay, stay here for at least 60 to 90 seconds or 2 minutes. When you're done with this, you can slowly place the palms on the floor. Okay. Now from here, I want you to place your right hand inside the right foot. So on the floor inside the right foot. If you're not able to reach, again take some height and place your palm here. Okay. Place it here and stretch your left arm up to the ceiling. Stretch your left arm up. Look at the left thumb. Hold here. 1. And start feeling a stretch on this left side of the lower back. Hold here for at least 45 seconds and then come back down, and you do the same thing on the other side. Place your left palm on the block inside or on the floor if you're able to reach, and lift your right arm up and hold here. Look at the thumb. And so if you're able to reach the floor, you go even lower and you feel a deeper stretch on the side. And then you come back up. From here, get your feet back in together. Place your right ankle on your left thigh. Right ankle on your left thigh. Make sure this alignment is happening and looking like this. Not here, not here, exactly here. Okay? And then from here, try to bend forward, hold on to the left ankle and pull your body down. Pull your chest onto the foot. This is the sitting pigeon stretch. You'll feel a deep stretch here on the right buttock and thigh. Okay, and just keep pulling down, down, down for at least 60 seconds. And then you come back up. Change the leg. This knee sometimes will be up here. Try to push the knee down first. Breathe in. Then breathe out, reach, hold the ankle and pull your chest down. Suck your lower belly in, Observe the stretch you're feeling on the left outer buttock and thigh, and just keep pulling the chest down. Don't fall onto any one side, okay? Make sure you're sitting on both your buttocks equally and you're pulling the chest down onto the thigh. And then slowly come back up. You can do a simple one of just hugging your knee into the chest. Again, no falling and rounding. Sit straight and pull it in. Release. Hug the other one in. And release. You can do another twist here. So feet together. If you feel like you're not going to be able to keep your thighs together, keep something in between your thighs. Squeeze that. Right hand outside the left thigh. Right hand outside the left thigh. Left hand behind. And twist. You can hold on to the wall also and look back. Keep sitting tall from the lower back. No rounding of the lower back. Here. Then you do the other side. And then you release. This should be good to at least get started with. If there's a lot of pain, do these very slow movements. Stay there. Always feel supported. So if at any point you feel like I'm not able to reach the floor and I'm like feeling uncomfortable, change the height you're working with. Take a lower chair or put something underneath so you have support. Don't ever be unsupported with the upper body. That's what will start to put a lot of pressure on your lower back. Okay? Yeah. Thank you. Bye.